In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Digistore24 Payout account with Payoneer so you can start receiving your earnings smoothly and securely. First, open your browser and go to the official Digistore24 website. Once you're there, log into your account using your usual login details. Make sure you also have your Payoneer account information ready, especially your account number and routing or SWIFT code, because you'll need those shortly. After logging into Digistore24, go to the account section, then select Payout account. This is where you'll set up how you want to receive your earnings. Now choose International Bank Transfer as your payout method. When you select this option, a form will appear asking for your bank details. Here, simply enter your Payoneer bank information, including the bank name, your account number, and the routing or SWIFT code exactly as shown in your Payoneer account. Take a moment to double check everything so your payments don't get delayed. Once all the fields are filled out correctly, make sure to click Save. This final step confirms your payout setup and tells Digistore24 where to send your earnings. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Digistore24 payouts to Payoneer. From now on, your payments will be deposited directly and securely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your setup quick and stress-free.